Hi, my name's Stacey, I'm 35 and I just wanted to leave a quick review on my Instasmile clip-in veneers that I received last week in the post. So basically I was looking at getting real veneers, but they cost thousands of pounds, which I just don't have at the moment. So then I came across Instasmile on the internet and I looked at the reviews and I was really impressed with what I seen. When I priced it up, I couldn't believe how inexpensive it was compared to veneers, so I ordered a pair just to give it a go. Really, I wasn't really expecting miracles or quality, to be honest, for the price I've paid. So as you can see, here's my teeth before and after. I was a little bit worried because these are bridges here, so I didn't know if they'd even be able to make them to fit my teeth. But it wasn't an issue at all. Instasmile were great. I asked for straighter, whiter teeth to try and get rid of some of the gaps, and that's exactly what they've done. So here they are. The whole process took about 3 weeks from start to finish. They came recorded delivery last week, and they came in this box, and then in their own little case with a nice mirror, and then here they are. So I opted for the classics upper and lower veneers, and I was a bit worried about them being uncomfortable, and they're really not. I wear them from the minute I wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, put my clip-ins straight in, and then I don't take them out till bedtime. I wear them when I'm eating as well, which was something else I was worried about. When I first got them, I had a little bit of a lisp for about half a day, but then my mouth just got used to them being in, and now I don't even know I'm wearing them. They're so comfortable and they're really easy to insert and take out as well. So here's my lower teeth. Okay, so here's my main issue, was my lower gaps. And that's it. And what I really like is they go right down to the gum, and they're shaped to my teeth and gum line, and they look brilliant, and they got rid of my gap for me, so that in itself was like my main issue. Then here's my top set. And there you go. So thank you very much, Instasmile. I love my new teeth, and I recommend anyone else thinking about getting them, just go for it.